Hey there, welcome back for another transformation. Today's makeup is from Aishwarya Rai. Hope you'll like it. So I'm going to start by changing my eye color, and then I'm going to proceed with my eyebrows. I started out by brushing them with a brown eyebrow gel mascara, then a brow pencil to fill them in and reshape a little, then finished with a brow pen to draw little hairs. Now I'm going to cover my eyelids with concealer as a base for the eyeshadow. Then I set it with a light-colored pressed powder. For eyeshadow, I'm using a mauve shade from the All I See Is Magic ColourPop palette, applied all over my lid. Next, I used an orange-brown shade, placing it on the outer part of my crease. Then, I used my finger to apply a shimmery purple shade to the middle of my mobile lid. Using a small brush, I applied a shimmery dark brown shade to the outer crease to add some smokiness. Finally, I added a shimmery champagne-colored highlight to the inner part of my eyelid. I did the other eye off camera. For my lower lash line, I used a small brush to apply the shimmery dark brown shade and softened it with the mauve shade. I also added some of the highlight to my brow bone. Then, I lined my waterline, both bottom and top, with black gel liner. Next, I created a medium-sized wing with black liquid eyeliner and applied black mascara. Using a cream bronzer, I began shaping my face to resemble hers, focusing on the cheekbones and chin. Next, I'm applying highlights to my face using a light-colored foundation. I'm applying it to the areas where I didn't put the bronzer earlier. Then, I blended both colors slightly into each other, ensuring not to remove the shadows that give me the shape I want to achieve. Lips. I'm going to line my lips with a red lip liner. I didn't follow my natural lip line. Instead, I made my top lip more rounded to look more like Aishwarya's lips. Then, I filled them in with the lip liner. I also elongated my lips slightly with a dark maroon-colored lip liner, shading the corners to make them appear smaller and the middle fuller. To finish the lips, I added some cream lipstick in a red-brown color. Now, I'm adding the details that complete the facial transformation. If you have been following this video as a tutorial, I don't recommend following the next step, as it doesn't look nice from the sides.
Echoes pure and sweet, and the world dreams meet.
Now that everything is blended, I added further highlights to emphasize the areas that are more forward.
Elegance we can't deny, like a star that owns the sky.
Then, I applied some pinky powder blush and powder contour.
Every moment shines through, moves like waves upon the sea.
And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. While I don't feel like I look exactly like Aishwarya, As her face is much smaller than mine, I still think it's a lovely look. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.
Every step brings us near.